Hello and welcome to Hands for Healing. I'm Sue Rigby. One of the questions that I'm often asked is, what does it feel like when I have a quantum touch session and what will I experience? There are some common sensations that you will feel, but for everybody, the experience is unique. And as you are your own healer and your body does what it needs to do, this is something to take a little bit of delight in and to treasure because you never know what's going to happen. Typically in a face-to-face session, you will be standing and I will be working with a combination of hands-on and hands-off. You may feel some typical sensations such as you may feel some heat. This can range from a gentle warmth to a much more intense heat. You may feel cold, and again, this may vary in intensity. It can be a piercing sort of cold, like an ice cube or an icicle. You may feel some sensation of tingling or numbness. You may feel that you have a need to move, and your body will take over, and you will not be able to stop it from moving. And you may twist and you may rock. And what's happening is that your body is realigning itself and changing things around as it needs to, taking control and being its own healer, which is exactly what you want. You may feel that a pain sensation can increase before it goes back down again. You may feel a sense of deep calm and peace and relaxation. Sometimes your feet may feel really, really heavy and it may feel like you're glued to the floor. And at other times, you can feel quite floaty. Sometimes you may feel very, very invigorated as opposed to calm and relaxed. But even in this invigoration, there is still a sense of calm and peace. But whatever happens is what your body needs to happen. If you are unable to stand for a session, you can sit or you can lie down, or it can be a combination of all these things. If you're lying down for a session, you may feel so relaxed that you fall asleep. If you're staying awake, you may feel that you're sinking into the bed very, very deeply and can't move. Or the opposite may be that you feel really light and floaty again. Sometimes you may see colours. If I'm working with somebody over distance, I would typically want them to be lying down if I wasn't able to see them over Skype or any other form of communication, or if I wasn't talking to them. And the reason for this is that it's so very, very deeply relaxing that if somebody is sitting on a chair and they fall asleep, I want to know that they're safe. And so I would want them to be lying down to make sure if they fall asleep, they're nice and safe and sound. These are just a few of the things that you may experience. Sometimes quantum touch will work on different levels. It can work on a physical level, but it can also work mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. It may be the case that you don't feel any sensations at all, and that's often what's happening when you feel no sensations, is it's working on these other levels. You may experience an emotional release, but whatever happens is the right experience for you. Your body is doing what it needs to do. If you're having a series of sessions, you may find that your experience is different between each session. And this is because as your body heals itself, it will work at a deeper and deeper level and take things to other levels and heal other aspects of whatever needs healing. And so enjoy the experience because it's the right thing for you. Thank you for taking the time to listen.